How's it going, guys? My name's Rami. Welcome back to yet another episode of RQsGarage. First and foremost, Happy New Year's. I love you guys. Thank you for the endless support we've had over the years. We've been growing slowly but surely, and you know it's been an awesome ride. I want to thank you. I hope you guys had an amazing holiday season with your family as we celebrate the new year into 2023, baby. I got a huge surprise for the channel. So you guys know my rusty dusty, my handy dandy, my all around, my best friend, my 2007 Acura TL right behind me. But today, and I'm officially announcing this today, we have a new addition to the channel. Let's go check it out. Guys, I just got a 2011 Mercedes-Benz E350. Please welcome my beautiful new vehicle to the channel. It's been a long time coming. I've had this channel for like 3 years now. I've had my Acura for about 7 years now. And I think it's time we've upgraded to a little more professional vehicle, if you know what I mean. Now, to give you a little walk around on my incredible new vehicle. I got this car from a family member of mine. My uncle lives in California, and he was gracious enough to sell me his 2011 Mercedes-Benz E350. This is a California Mercedes-Benz since the day it was purchased. Purchased from a Mercedes dealership. It's been serviced there its entire life, and I'm so gracious enough to have this awesome opportunity to have it for my own. And it's been an absolute beast of a car. I've had it for about a month or so now. That's why you see it's a little bit dirty. I just haven't had the chance to record this video. But this thing is equipped with so many features. Front and rear parking sensors, a backup camera, heated seats, memory seats, two-way memory seats for the driver and the passenger. It's got attentive driving assistance, so it'll detect if you're getting tired and you want to go get a cup of coffee. It's got satellite navigation. I know it's a little bit dated now, but for 2011, this thing was a beast. The navigation has live traffic alerts. It's got an incredible sound system on the inside. But this thing is so pretty. I've never had a German car, and I'm really excited to use it, to drive it, to maintain it, and to teach you guys how to fix so many things when it comes to German vehicles. I'm really excited to join the Mercedes-Benz automotive community, and I'm really excited to just learn and drive this thing and have so much fun with it. It's got 106,000 miles on the dash. It is beautiful. It's got a leather and wood steering wheel, genuine wood across the entire interior. It's got a sunroof. It's got automatic rear view dimming. Nice tinted windows. Of course, I had to ride in style. Oop, I got some snacks back here. It's got a rear view shade that lifts up and down. Guys, this thing is incredible. It's decked out for 2011, and it's mine. And I'm so excited to have this vehicle. Just take a nice listen to when the door closes. That's nice. How can we not forget the best part? The floating Mercedes emblem. That right there, that's the best part. We've got ample storage in the trunk. I mean, this thing is absolutely massive. We have nice little hooks for shopping. When we're shopping, we got some groceries in there. We have a spare tire, which is freaking awesome, and a jack. Look at the floor mat. The floor mat itself has the Mercedes-Benz emblem. That's pretty cool. The side panel coming out of the driver's side, Mercedes-Benz, but of course. Back to the best part. Under the hood, we have a 3.5 liter V6, 268 horsepower, 200 and something pound-feet of torque. It's just absolutely marvelous. Taken care of, really nice engine bay. Yeah, it's a little dirty, but we'll be cleaning that in a future video. And it's just so fascinating to see German engineering at its finest. My 2011 Mercedes-Benz E350. And I'm very excited to just be a part of this incredible community, to learn with you guys, to maintain it, to fix it, to do different service intervals, to learn how to jack up this vehicle. All of it, all of it, all of it. This thing is an absolute beauty. I'm excited to join the German world. I've never had a German vehicle before. Little nervous, not gonna lie, coming from the Japanese world, because the reliability and the price is a huge difference. But the drive, the feel of this vehicle, I understand. I understand how awesome it is and why people love German vehicles. Thank you so much for supporting me, guys. I couldn't have done this without you. I couldn't have jumped the next leap into another vehicle without you. Yes, it's an 11-year-old car with 100,000 miles on it, but for me, it's kind of a big deal, and I think you can you all can resonate with that, because we're not like these incredible YouTubers who have everything and go crazy, right? We take our time, we jump into steps, and we're just learning, and we're learning as we go. I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Seriously, if you haven't already, share this video, share my channel, give it a thumbs up if you like this video, because we're doing a lot with this Mercedes, and you'll be seeing it very, very soon. I love you guys. Peace.